Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 1950s Farmall A tractor. As you can hear, it's in good running condition. Fires right up. Sitting on a ton of rubber. Now, this tractor is used, and it's had some farmer modifications made to it. But other than that, it'd be a good workhorse. Again, 1950s Farmall A. This was a working tractor. This was not a toy. It has not been restored. And as you can hear, it's running good. Has been converted to a 12-volt system. Still a lot of rubber on the tires. Custom modified seat back. It is a complete tractor. Again, this is an old Farmall A. Farmall A. Emblem is intact. And needs a little cleaning. Little TLC. This would be a good workhorse tractor. Battery's fairly new. Back side of the tractor does have the PTO. Again, this is a good running tractor, folks. It's featured on our auction in Yale, Michigan, which will start on August 7th and end on Wednesday, August 14th. Lots start ending at 6 p.m. with lot number 1, and one lot every 30 seconds after that. This tractor, again, will be a featured item on that auction. For more information, visit ridgecrestliquidators.com or give me a call at 810-650-8508. Thank you very much and enjoy your day.